In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add cash on delivery, or COD, to your Shopify store. Integrating this payment method can be a game changer for your business, especially if you operate in regions where customers prefer paying for goods upon delivery. Let's dive into this step-by-step process to set it up efficiently. First, you need to log into your Shopify admin panel. Once you're logged in, head over to the settings located at the bottom left of your screen. Clicking on this will open up a menu with various options for customization. Within these options, you'll find Payments. Go ahead and select this tab. It's here where we get to configure the different methods by which your customers can pay. Now, you'll see the Payment Providers section. This is where you'll see a list of all the payment gateways currently integrated with your store. Scroll down until you see Manual Payment Methods. This is crucial as it allows you to offer alternative payment methods that are not processed online. Click on Add Manual Payment Method to proceed. A small window will pop up asking you to choose a manual payment method. From the list of options, select Cash on Delivery. However, if Cash on Delivery isn't listed directly, you can easily create a custom payment option. Click on Create Custom Payment Method and type in Cash on Delivery as the name. This ensures clarity for your customers during the checkout process. Moving forward, there's a description box where you can clarify the payment process for your customers. It's a good idea to include specific instructions or conditions related to COD, such as mentioning any locations or postal codes where this service is available, or any additional fees that might be incurred. Clearly communicating these details can help manage customer expectations and reduce confusion at checkout. After you've entered the relevant details, make sure you save your changes by clicking Activate or Save at the bottom. You'll want to ensure there are no loose ends by inspecting the setup. Go back to your store's checkout page to confirm that the Cash on Delivery option is appearing as expected. This step is crucial to catch any errors in the setup. Before allowing customers to use Cash on Delivery, consider informing them about this new payment method through a newsletter or an announcement bar on your home page. This proactive communication can increase awareness and encourage more customers to take advantage of this service. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully added Cash on Delivery as a payment option on your Shopify store. It's an effective way to cater to customers who prefer this payment method and can potentially increase your sales. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more Shopify tips and tricks.